Hi everyone, I'm going to teach the architects how to set up the Revit 2017. So first you open Revit Software from your start menu or from the desktop icon. Just double click it, it will open. Just wait for a second. This is the first time I'm going to open the Revit as an architect. So first you need to set up the Revit software. So to do that, first you go to this icon here and then you directly go to the options. This is the first thing you should do when you open Revit at the first time. After that you can just double click the software and I will teach you how to continue from that. Yeah. Okay. Now in the general, the reminder intervals, just make sure you make it to 15 minutes. Save reminder interval, because then it will pop up in every 15 minutes to tell you that to save the file. The synchronize with central reminder interval, just keep it also to 15 minutes, but I will teach you what is the synchronizing with central later on. Make sure you put a username because this will help you when you working with the central file. But keep in mind, put a proper name, your name, or if you are in an office, the office computer name. Okay, and make sure the view options default new discipline to put it to architectural. Then go to user interface. No need to do anything here. The graphics, if you want the background just like in AutoCAD, make this one in, change the color into black, otherwise keep it in white. This is temporary dimension text appearance. This will, when you are working with the dimension, not with the dimension actually, when you are working with model elements, this dimension will just show you just like a helper. It will show on the sides and all that. In that dimension, the size of the text and the background, whether it need to be transparent or opaque. I will just keep it as it is. And this is another important thing you have to set up in your Revit software the first time. This shows the project template. If you are an architect, you are working with the imperial or metric. Those are the two dimension types you are working on. So if you are working on imperial, make sure the architectural imperial template to keep it in down. It doesn't matter, you can browse it and bring it back, but this is very easy if you have the architectural template on top, because that's the thing which show you when you are trying to open a new project. And the other thing is, in here these doesn't matter, just keep it as it is. These places, this is the library location of your Revit families. This, just make sure if you are working with Imperial, just click here. There is a small box here, just click it and make sure you select this library, change it to US Imperial and just open. That's it. You have the Imperial architectural template and library also Imperial. And make sure the detail library also to change to US Imperial and detail items and open. That's it. Okay, and this, let's go to rendering, nothing there. Jet spelling, nothing there. Steering wheels, no need to change it, right? And then press OK. See, now we change it. When you're going to new, see, you will get this architectural Imperial template in front. The others just follow. When you just drop down the menu, the other templates will show. Otherwise, you can just browse it and go to the other templates as well. What's better to keep the Imperial template in front. Okay, now I'm going to open this Imperial template. Just press OK, because this template is 2016 older version. I have the families and the template, doesn't matter. Okay, it opens. So this is the first thing as an architect. When you're opening the Revit at the first time, keep in mind to do these things before you. And there is one thing I will show you. This is also keep in mind to have here when you're going to save as a file. Now I open a new template, open new project. You can open the new, I will show you again. There is two ways of opening a new file. You can just press here and just select the template and press OK. Other way is here, new and project. Both are the same. It's OK. The file will open. You are going to do anything here and all that, and then you will save the file as save as project. But keep in mind, in these options here, make the maximum number of backups as one. No need to have a lot of backups. Then it will only take your hard disk memory. And thumbnail preview, active sheet, you can change the view of your thumbnail in your folder to active sheet, just to show a glimpse. Otherwise, you can just change it to the elevation or anything as you wish. That's it. Just save, put a name here and save the file. Okay, I will show it to you next time how to start a project as an architect from the beginning.